Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FitFly. In today's video, I will describe about the upcoming interviews of Indigo for cabin crew. They started cabin crew last month. This was the last interviews going for the Indigo for the cabin crew for the Airbus. I will show you the locations where the interviews will go now. The first one is the cabin crew Airbus for the Bombay. That was today. And the second one, next one is the for the Bagdogra. Then Bangalore, Gurgaon, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Delhi, Lucknow, Pune, Chennai, Gangtok, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Gurgaon. And last three interviews are at 28, 29, 30, 28 at Bangalore, 29 Guwahati, and 30 Delhi. All the sectors, the main bases of Indigo from where they fly many flights from like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. Every particular places have their interview and the place is mentioned where the interviews will go. Now the thing is how to apply. First of all, you have to make a candidate ID on the Indigo website. I will put a link of every places how to apply. Okay. First of all, you have to go through the indigo.career, Indigo career at Google or any Google Chrome. Just go through it. I will put a link in my description box. Then go through the make your candidate ID. If you are applying first in the Indigo, you have to make a candidate ID with your Gmail, your contact details and everything, your mail. Then you can only apply through Indigo app. Once you get the invitation, only you can be appeared in the interview. If you don't get any invitation from Indigo HR or any Indigo applied mail, then you can't be in the interview for the upcoming interviews. Okay, in this list you have to first apply. First, when you go to the portal, I will show you that. First of all, there is a mention that the location and everything. You have to written that login to register now. First of all, the date is there, that 20 December to 21 December, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. The first one is for the Bombay, that will happen today. 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. happened today. The place is mentioned there, Orchid Hotel, Nehru Road, adjacent to Domestic Airport, Ville Parle. Okay. The job ID is mentioned, job type, contract, location, and basis unit in flight services. Okay, everything is mentioned there. They also mentioned the eligibility criteria. First of all, you know that please note that the candidates appearing for interview on any places are applied to carry their vaccination report for their RT-PCR test report, or if you have done with the both doses of vaccination, then you don't need any RT-PCR report. If you haven't done with the vaccination double dose vaccination, then you have to take a RT-PCR test report of negative with you, carry with you. This is the first criteria they mentioned. Then the eligibility criteria is there. Female Indian nationals with the Indian passport between 18 to 27 years. This is the age limit. Okay. Education qualification is minimum +2, 10 +2 with a recognized board or the university. And the communication is mentioned as you earlier know. They need a fluency and good spoken English and in the both in the written and both. Then the height and weight is mentioned, minimum of 155 centimeters. For girls, the minimum height is mentioned is 155 centimeters and the weight proportionate to BMI. The BMI should be between 18 to 22. Appearance about the positive body language and well groomed, and no tattoos should be on the visible on part of the body while you are wearing the Indigo uniform. The requirements are on the assessment day. The candidates must compile with the prepared complete knowledge of the eligibility criteria, cabin crew profile, and the company. You have to know about everything about the company. When the company started, how many fleets they have, how many destinations the Indigo travel, and everything you have to know about the Indigo. They can ask about you, why Indigo? And name any few beautiful things happened in Indigo. What are the achievements of Indigo? They can ask you. The dress code of the interview is as the half sleeve shirt and knee length well fitted skirt with the skin color stockings. You have to, for girls, you have to wear the stocking. This is the most things you have to wear, and with the makeup. Makeup is necessary. However, candidates are requested to carry makeup and take adequate precautions against any adverse weather condition. You have to carry your makeup. Okay. Candidates must carry 2 passport size. They always wanted the 2 passport size photographs and a soft copy along with the 1 hard copy of updated resume. You have to carry your resume, obvious, and photographs of 10th and 12th mark sheets from a recognized board or university. Aadhaar card, PAN card, and passport are mandatory things. Everyone should know who wants to join in the aviation. Passport, PAN card, Aadhaar card is mandatory things. Candidates are required to wear mask all times, and entry will be strictly prohibited without a mask. If you're going in an interview without a mask, you are not allowed that. Okay. And candidates are requested to download the Arogya Setu app before entering the interview venue. Few times they used to check that you have a Arogya Setu app or not, but few times they don't check. Then the responsibilities are mentioned. I will put a link because it's so long. Approx 15 to 16 points are there. I will mention that. I will complete the few lines there. Ensure to comply with all DGCA regulations and keep all the required license up to date. Everything I have to mention that what is the work of a cabin crew. You have to just go through it. Okay. And please note that it's mandatory to apply online before appearing the interview. They clearly mention that you have to apply before applying online. You can't be in the interview. Okay. I will show you the places once again. What are the upcoming places for the interview? Today was the Bombay interview that happened, and the next is for the 21 December for the cabin crew Airbus Bagdogra. Then the next one on the 21st, that is Bangalore. On 21st, Gurgaon will also happen. Then 23rd, after 1 day gap, on the 23rd December, the cabin crew Airbus for the Jaipur. Then after Jaipur, there is Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, and Delhi, Lucknow, Pune, Chennai, Gangtok. These all will happen on the 23rd. And then the next, after 4 days, they hire for again, that is for Kolkata on 27 December. On the same day, they started again hiring, they will start again hiring for the Bombay on the 27th December. On 20 and 27, 20 will happen. On 27, they will also start for the Bombay. Okay, and then there's 28 for the Gurgaon once again, and the Bangalore once again. Cabin crew for the Airbus Guwahati. Guwahati was on 29. I will mention every date. I will put up every link how to apply and what are the positive links to apply. Go through the direct channel. Okay. And then the last interview was in the Delhi for the cabin crew. Then the cabin crew for Delhi, people are my followers are prospects from the Delhi. Then the location is there in the Hotel Essex Farms, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. Arvindo Marg, Vijay Madde Enclave, Kalusrai. This was the job ID 198086. Everything is mentioned, organization, posted by, and everything mentioned. The same things will be appeared in your interview. Okay. How to apply and everything is mentioned there. Just you have to go brief through it and you have to read everything about the Indigo for the upcoming interview. This was the last interview of this year 2021. Okay. This is the last interviews of the Indigo for the crew. No, for the next year we don't know that interviews will come up or not, because this was the many interview happened by Indigo for cabin crew. You can take approx daily, on the daily basis they hired, because they need right now they need many cabin crew because their fleet size becoming more and day more by more. Then you only have to apply and go through it. You have to be first. You have to as we talk about the rounds. The rounds are approximately first one is the intro, the group intro. From my side, whenever I appeared in the interview, I talked to the few girls there. They guided me that the interview first round is the intro. Group intro will be there in the group of 5, 10 or 20. If the crowd is more, they used to hire in the 20 groups. That 20 groups will be sitting and you have to ask, introduce yourself. They will tell you about only about yourself, not about your family. Whatever they ask, only you have to reply that, not more than that. They only ask whatever they ask, just reply with that. Don't be gather so much from your voice that don't elaborate more. Whatever they ask, comply with them, reply with them. Okay. Then the second round will be maybe it will be the medical. They used to mention that medical your height, weight, and BMI will be there. Those scars on your body, everything will be washed. Tattoos should not be there. Everything will be seen in the second round. It will used to be in the medical round. Then third, if the interviews if you clear the both rounds, first and second, then go with the PI or the group intro. At the last, they used to earlier for the 4 rounds, but right now they are hiring for the they used to ask 3 rounds only. Okay, the third round is the PI. The PI is the personal interview with the two HR, 2:1, and two HR will be the N:1. And why Indigo? Why should you want to join Indigo? What about your family? They used to check your communication skills. These are the rounds mainly happen in the interview for the Indigo interview. Just you have to go through the everything. I will apply. I will help you all. If anything goes wrong, my Instagram ID is mentioned fitflyer__, or you can come reply on the comments. I will make sure that I will apply or comment down. I will reply everyone. Okay. Thank you guys. I will mention everything. Okay. So don't worry. Just keep calm in interview. Just go through the everything. What they want. What you need. Just prepare yourself. You have approx 9 to 10 days left for this year. Just go through with the best year of this. Go through the everything. Okay. Just all the best.